Hi, hello viewers. In this video, we are going to discuss about sp3 hybridization. To explain this hybridization, here I have taken methane molecule as an example. In methane molecule, carbon is the central atom. The 4 hydrogen atoms are surrounding atoms. In hybridization, mainly we have to consider the central atom of the molecule. Here the central atom of the molecule is carbon. The electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Its valence electronic configuration of carbon in ground state is 2s2, 2p2. In excited state, its electronic configuration is the one electron should be shifted from 2s orbital to 2p az orbital. In methane molecule, the surrounding atoms are 4 hydrogen. So, carbon needs 4 unpaired electrons. Here, in excited state, the carbon has 4 unpaired electrons. But these 4 unpaired electrons are in different shapes and different in energies. Here, we have to make same energy with the same shape of 4 unpaired electrons. So, we have to hybridize these 4 orbitals to get sp3 hybridized orbital. After hybridization, the carbon has 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals with 4 unpaired electrons. These electrons have same energy and same shape. The shape of s orbital is in spherical. The shape of p orbital is in dumbbell shape. If p orbital is oriented along the x-axis, it is known as px orbital. Similarly, we can say py and pz orbitals are oriented along y and z axis respectively. Here you can see a mixing of s, px, py and pz orbitals. Here you can see clearly the formation of sp3 hybridized orbitals of carbon atom. This is the 3D dimension of sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Here the carbon atom has 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals. On each hybridized orbitals having one unpaired electron. Here you can see the unpaired electron on sp3 hybridized orbital. Now the carbon atom has 4 unpaired electron on each respective sp3 hybridized orbitals, and similarly we have 4 hydrogens each having one unpaired electron on its valence orbital. Here you can see the 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals linearly overlap with the 4 hydrogens of 1s orbital. This animation will give the clear picture of linearly overlapping of 4 sp3 hybridized orbital and 4 hydrogens. This is the overall animation of formation of sp3 hybridized methane molecule. Structure of methane molecule is tetrahedral. It's here you can see the 3D dimension of methane molecule. The angle between two sp3 hybridized orbital is 109.5 degree. Thank you for watching.